Hi there, my name is Ashri and welcome back to Gadget 360. Don't you think that smartphones have become quite boring lately? There's the old same glass back panel, some set of cameras and similar looking design. That's what Carl Pei wants to change, OnePlus's co-founder. So he left the company and decided to start his own startup called Nothing. And since then the tech industry has not stopped talking about it. Nothing introduced itself to the world in 2021 with its first device ever called the Nothing Ear 1. These wireless earbuds brought a refreshing design with a see-through charging case and earpieces, and we tried these cool earbuds and found them in an attractive overall package. And now Nothing is all set to launch its first smartphone called the Nothing Phone 1, and the launch is set for July 12th, 8:30 p.m. India time. So stay tuned to gadget360.com for all the live updates. Also, we will soon be putting out a review video on Nothing Phone 1, so make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss that video. Now coming to the launch, Nothing Phone 1 is going to be launched on July 12th, so we are just a week away from the launch. So let's just take a quick look at all the specifications, features, expected price and pre-order details that we know so far. Nothing Phone 1's design has already been unveiled several times by the company, so we have a clear idea what it is going to bring to the table. It has a unique and eye-catching transparent back design that's made of glass. There are white LED lights with a glyph interface. Now what's so interesting about these lights is that they will glow to let you know who is calling or the battery is being charged. You can even control and customize the LEDs on the back panel. Further, the Nothing Phone has dual rear cameras, a rear dot video recording indicator and wireless charging support. Further on the front, the Nothing Phone 1 has evenly sized bezels all around and a punch-hole selfie camera. Overall, it looks pretty similar to the iPhone 12 from the boxy shape and the dual rear cameras in the top left corner. For specs, the Nothing Phone 1 is confirmed to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus SoC, which could be paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage. Now, the leaks suggest that it may pack a 4500 mAh battery paired with 45-watt fast charging, and it may come in black and white color options. For cameras, the Nothing Phone 1 may bring a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 16-megapixel secondary sensor at the back. For selfies, there could be a 16-megapixel front camera too. Coming to the price, the Nothing Phone 1 could start at roughly Rs 31,000 in India. The company started the invite-only pre-order pass reservation system in late June, but that ended this week in India. So pass holders will be able to buy the phone from July 12th till July 18th, and general sales will begin after this period. So everyone is eagerly waiting to see if the Nothing Phone 1 is actually going to be different from its competitors, or will it just end up being the overhyped smartphone of 2022. Do tell us in the comment section below what you think about the Nothing Phone 1, and like always, keep following Gadget 360 for all things tech.